getting to regain my confidence, getting to regain a sense of quality of life has been empowering. So at 30, I got dentures. When I got them, I was, I needed them, but I was told that they weren't functional. They're just for aesthetics, just to smile, but not to eat with. So I'm 42 now. So for 12 years, I haven't really had teeth to chew with. Bad genetics, a lot really. Bad habits and stuff too. My mother thought that eating lemons with salt was a good thing, a good snack daily kind of for fat purposes, and not realizing all the enamel that it's going to destroy on my teeth. I was just trying to get new dentures, and I was going into different dentists trying to figure it out, and Aspen Dental wanted to make me stay up for 8-hour surgery, taking all extra bone and teeth out, and make me be awake the whole time, and it was petrifying. Another place wanted me to draw it out into a 2-year process, and that was even more terrifying because I couldn't imagine going through that kind of torture for 2 years. I got to hear about Dr. Beam through his mother. She pointed us in this direction, and we came out and we met him. They were just amazing. He was very informative and explained, what has happened and what could happen and what needs to happen in order to help improve, my smile, my quality of life, which is amazing. And he's so great about making sure that he explains everything. If you have a question, he will figure out probably 5 different analogies or metaphors to make sure that you really understand and what could happen and all the process, and you're not left in the dark ever, which is for me a really big thing because I don't like surprises or and stuff, because surprises that end up happening or the questions you forget to ask usually end up being a downfall. And so that feeling that if I have a question, I can call him, whether it's a big deal or a little deal, and they're so willing to answer. The staff, the Dr. Beam, Jen, all of them. It's really, really amazing to be in that office. So I feel like I actually look more like my age again, or even a little younger, hopefully, which is all a confidence booster. I can look in the mirror now and regain and see some of the beauty that I felt that I lost back when I was 30.